Today I thought it would be fun to go through the contents of my gym bag. I think packing for the gym is a bit like camping in that you want to have a bit of strategy here. You need useful accessories, but you also have to pack light. No one wants to lug around a bag that weighs 50 or 60 pounds and takes you forever to find something. That being said, as far as the gym bag itself goes, I like to have just kind of a big, I guess, satchel and make sure that it has a few different pockets. What I don't like about this one is that it does not have a separate bag on the bottom for shoes. So it's the only thing I would change about this particular bag. Now, let's see what's inside. The first thing, gym towel. I think this is very important. The first reason is, of course, you want to have something that you can set on a machine, and the second reason is to help, clean the machine off. Ideally, you might want 2 of these, one for your seat and one for your face. The next thing, I always keep a change of clothes with me. So I've got a long line sports bra and a black pair of leggings. And that's just, in case something happens, let's say I'm squatting and my pants rip or something, I always think about worst case scenario, or more likely I'm just sweaty, then I have something to change into. The next thing that I have in here, I like to record stuff for my Instagram, but this little tripod is also great if you need to see your workouts. So if there's a specific exercise, especially on back day, or if you're training hamstrings, go ahead and pop your phone in here and you can record yourself. It's super, super useful. I'll include the link, it's on Amazon. This thing has lasted me for a year. Next, 2 sets of wipes. So sometimes the gyms have wipes and sometimes they don't. This one's for the equipment and for my hands, just anti-germs. And then this one is really awesome for removing makeup and for just kind of freshening up. This is not to be used in lieu of a shower, but let's say you just want to take off your makeup and put on fresh makeup. So super great. They sell these at TJ Maxx in a 3-pack for $3.99. Let's get into the accoutrements here. So one of my favorite things to have are these ankle cuffs. And these are great for your glute exercises, but in a pinch, if you don't have a handle, you can just go ahead and attach this to one of the pulleys, and you can use this for single arm exercises. So there have been a lot of gyms, or even like hotel gyms, where they don't have a ton of equipment, and you can definitely make do with these. Next, we've got a mini band here. I see a lot of people using just the plastic ones and they don't last as long. So these, they sell them in a 3-pack on Amazon. They're awesome for glute exercises. You can also do like, kind of a little bit of a pump up stuff with the upper body with them. So super versatile, lightweight, they go everywhere with me. And the last accessory that I have for workouts, medium tension resistance band. And the reason I get the medium tension, this is great for assisted pull-ups, this is awesome for glute exercises, and I absolutely love it for stationary banded sprints. So super versatile. You can use it even if you're at a hotel and you have something sturdy to wrap this around. You can do a ton of exercises with the medium resistance band. So I have a little side pocket in the inside of my gym bag. I carry around wrist straps. So when my grip starts to give, I absolutely love these. Super easy, super simple, Everlast wrist straps. I think they're like $5 or $7, but they come in handy for lifting heavy. Now, I live in Florida, but I'm not always tan, so I make my own tanning lotion. It's just like a mica shimmer and some essential oils and organic lotion. So it's really awesome to put on. Sometimes I'll put peppermint oil in it, and it's really good, kind of helps warm up the muscles before working out and gives you like a tropical shine. We can sort of segue into the makeup part, and you guys know how I love my gym makeup. The first thing that I always have with me, this is a BareMinerals Complexion Rescue foundation stick. So if you just sweat all of your makeup off, use your makeup wipe, just go into the gym and just put your face back on. Super, super easy. And I love this thing. And then the next thing I have is MAC lipstick. This is a Powder Kiss lipstick, and it's kind of like a mauvey pink. And it's amazing for lips, and it's also really great for cheeks. So you can almost put a full face on with just these two things. If I ever need to write anything down, I have a Sharpie. This is not necessary, of course, but it's always great and super festive to have a silver metallic Sharpie. Can't explain that one. Okay, going to the side pocket. Bluetooth headphones. Really great. They work everywhere and kind of helps you tune out the world and just tune into your training. So I have these for every workout. And a few more things in the side pocket. I have a tampon for, you know, lady times. Another Sharpie because, I mean, I might have to sign something or write something down. And lastly, this was a bit of a surprise, I have a multi-tool. So you never know in the gym where you might need a pair of pliers or a Phillips head screwdriver. I know I said I didn't want my bag to weigh 50 pounds, but this is contributing about 3 pounds to that. So that's it, super, super easy. Want to try to keep things as easy as possible when you're packing for the gym. If you shower at the gym, the only other thing I would suggest is a small travel pouch of shampoo, body wash, flip-flops, and a towel. What things do you like to pack in your gym bag? Please comment below and tell me. Maybe I'm missing something. If you like this video, please consider subscribing, and don't forget to click that little bell. You'll be the first to know whenever a new video comes out. Thanks for watching. Until next time, train hard, y'all.